Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Justin Trudeau worked as a nightclub bouncer and snowboarding instructor before he was a Canadian Prime Minister. Friendship is not about who you have known the longest, it's about the one who walked in your life, said I'm here for you and proved it. This fallen tree refuses to die, instead it sprouts 4 new trees. An extremely rare golden tiger, less than 30, exists today. These two trees grow together to form a perfect two-tone tree. Indiana is testing magnetizable concrete for wireless EV charging. This selfie was clicked by the monkey himself accidentally after he stole the camera from the photographer. In Siberia last year, they found a bag of 27 chopped off hands and nobody knows where they came from. The average person spends roughly 79 years on earth. Of those, we spend 26 years sleeping and about 7 years trying to fall asleep. This is what the earliest known ancestor of whale looked like. Ford has made a new perfume which smells like petrol. Puppy born with one eye, two tongues and no nose dies soon after birth. A man once drunkenly stole a plane and landed it in the middle of Manhattan in the front of bar he had been drinking at. NASA has a job position for defending our planet from aliens. A spaceship traveling at the speed of light would never reach the edge of the known universe. Dubai creates fake rain using drones as temperature soars over 50 degrees Celsius. 3 little girls react to the kiss at a wedding. Wife remarried her husband as she falls in love with him again after losing her memory. A man in Zimbabwe fasted for 40 days in hope that God would give him a Lamborghini. On completing the fast, he almost ended up starving himself to death. Accidents happen, that's what everyone says, but in quantum universe there are no such things as accidents. The only Japanese passenger that survived the Titanic lost his job because he was known as a coward in Japan for not dying with other passengers. Only 66% of 18 to 24-year-olds in the United States are confident that the world is round according to a new national survey. Russian scientists defrosted several prehistoric worms and 2 woke up. People who cry more often have fewer infections in their eyes. This is the largest earthworm in the world, known as giant Gippsland, can be 3 meters in length and weigh about 200 grams. There is a place in India called Auroville where there is no religion and money. This picture is not photoshopped. This is a real bull known as Belgian blue bull. There is a deadly plant in eastern North America that grows eyes. A Nigerian scammer, Emmanuel Nude, once sold a fake airport to a major international bank for $242 million. The Big Bang was not the beginning. Nobel Prize winner Roger Penrose said the Big Bang was not the beginning of a universe, rather it was the end of the previous one. Nerve fiber length in human brain is about 850,000 km. A 14-year-old Yazidi girl carrying an assault rifle to protect her family from the ISIS. Three Gorges Dam in China is so massive it has actually slowed down the rotation of Earth. The revolving door was invented by a man who hated opening doors for women. Pictures of mountain goats who are amazing rock climbers defying gravity. In Britain, a squirrel once got its head stuck inside a Halloween mask and ran around terrifying an entire neighborhood. Scorpion mother carrying her scorpion babies on her back. Narnia, recently he became a dad to these cutie pies in each color. A pizzeria in Guatemala cooks their pizzas on lava from the active Pacaya volcano. This beautiful image of a rescued gorilla hugging her caretaker just won Wildlife Photo of the Year. A tiger's tongue is so rough it can lick the paint of buildings and strip the skin from the bones of an animal. There is an underground wall that contains 500 seeds from every crop on earth. Some old mites claim that when you're born, you're actually crying from your death in your past life. Queen Elizabeth trained and worked as a mechanic during World War II. Thanks for watching.